Alright, so we have the Clean and Easy Personal Waxing Kit. It comes with two cartridges, a bigger one and a smaller one. As you can see, they're in the kit warming up. And I decided to get this because for the longest since COVID, I haven't been able to get a wax, haven't been able to get an appointment. I figured, why don't I try to wax myself and save the money? This is the box. I got it from Sally's. And yeah, I'm gonna do my lip. Try to do this Brazilian as much as I can. The wax um, lasts as long as my situation down there is. And yes, ooh, okay, yes. Right, so this is my before. As you can see, I have a little bit of facial hair right here, a little bit right here. I ain't going to show y'all my cooch, so that's just that. But I got some hair in my pubic area that I'm gonna do, and yeah. See ya in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I just fucking got rid of my own facial hair myself. I ain't never did this before, so I'm happy and I'm satisfied just off the rip. Yeah, I just had to put that I would say Q&A. It sounded right to me. I just wanted to put that PSA in there so y'all know I'm fucking with Clean and Easy so far. So far, only thing I can really tell you is to make sure you really squeeze this wax. Like, squeeze it as you rolling it on. And you might have to do 2 passes, because as you can see in the video, my first pass wasn't enough. I had to go back and do another pass. If you find that it's not coming out when you squeeze it, put it back in the warmer. It probably just got a little cold, because from using this, I see that it does get cold fast. And then obviously the wax stops oozing out. This was the hair that was removed from the second pass on this side. This was the hair that was removed. Let's see. I tried to do it twice and get the rest of the hair thinking I could use one strip, but it didn't work, so I had to get another strip. So that's why I'm doing this little strip for this little section. So as you can see, I did get most of the hair on this side compared to the beginning of the video. If you backtrack, you'll be able to see that I had a full like baby stash mustache on my face. Compared to where I was before, I'll take this because I had the time. I got time. I could take another strip, take it off. I don't mind doing 2 passes. I don't mind because anything is better than nothing. And I got time to get this together. Oh, her hair. But y'all see from the beginning, it was like 13-year-old boy going through puberty on both sides. So I'm happy. This is what my bikini area looks like. As you can see, there's like one little fine hair, or maybe 2, but either way, this whole, yeah, I'm hairy. This whole section had, you know, fine hair to like here, and the wax did get it all as best as I could. It's really, I wouldn't recommend this waxing kit for um, Brazilian or any like pubic area. It's really better for like small surface areas like your lip, maybe your eyebrow. I wouldn't even do underarms because it's just too messy. Like, you should have seen me in the shower trying to get all this wax off of here. It was absolutely like annoying to say the least. So that's that. I would rate it a 7 out of 10 just off the strength that it was messy and also because it wasn't a clean wax. So those 2 reasons. Oh, and yes, because it wasn't a clean wax and because it was messy. So see y'all next time. Yes. I'm looking cute.